your position that you're going to stay in?
Roughly.
Matt's filming this and he's holding it, so if it's a bit wobbly, you can comment loads of abuse this way. So today we are doing a sort of is it worth it product review on the Worx Hydroshot, which is basically a battery powered pressure washer, but it's not going to be as powerful as your Karcher pressure washer because this is only 320 psi, but you know, it's for all you people that don't have a hose, you know, live in a flat, or you just want to take it to car shows and give your car a quick clean before you're in show and shine. So this is an empty box because I've already taken it out because it was Christmas Day present, so you're already going to unbox it. As well, this was a Christmas present, but I do know how much it is because I've been looking at accessories, so obviously I'm going to see it. It is around the £99 mark. You can get a more powerful one, which is around £200, but yeah, we've got this one. So I've obviously already taken out everything, and it comes in a nice, well, it doesn't come in it, I've put it in, but it comes with a nice black netted bag, which is quite nice because obviously if your stuff's still wet, then you know your bag's not going to go mouldy. So I'm quickly just going to go through. Obviously you've got your what would you call that, the extension lance thing, so you've got that. You've got the gun itself, which is obviously quite weighted. You've also got a high and low button there. You can just put it onto a bog standard hose if you want to. Then we have the actual hose bit. So the idea of this is that you can throw this, well, in the advert some people throw it into a swimming pool, which unfortunately I don't have a swimming pool. Some people throw it into a bucket of water or a river because it does have a filter on the end, so it will filter out rubbish, and you can just clean that. It's got the little ball that stops the hose from falling completely into the bucket, and it's got a little clip obviously to stop that happening. So the idea is throw that into there and you're all done. And then obviously the battery does take ages to charge. It takes about 5 hours. It's a 20 volt 2 amp battery, which you can get a bigger one I think, but the good thing is if you've got any Worx tools, because they do drills, they do lawnmowers, they do hedge trimmers, they do everything. If you've already got one, then you've got a spare battery already, but the batteries are all the same. And you can press the little button there and it will tell you how many batteries you've got, how much battery life you've got. So we've got 3 bars. So we're going to go and test this out and see how it compares to a jet wash without judging it too much, because it's not going to be as powerful as a jet wash. So let's go. Put this little thing into there and, oh look, there we go, it needs a spare. Oh. This is not going to plan. There we go. Right, and then, is there an on? I don't know.
You'll push that black button in, don't you? No, not that black button, the other black button.
This one?
And then pull the trigger.
Oh.
At the same time.
Well, do you have to do that every time?
Yeah.
Oh. We've actually got it working. So it's got a few different settings. So we've got it on the highest and the highest setting. I'm not ready to open it. My car's not really dirty enough to like...
No, no one's is.
Shove it. Your wheels might be quite good.
Yeah, just give me the bucket. Oh.
Oh, it's start. Why didn't you put it up here? Here we go.
I'll carry the bucket.
It's alright. Can you bring the camera? Oh, your wheels ain't that dirty now if I'm close to them.
Well, no, because we washed it last week, didn't we? I've just been sat there. Do you want to put the camera up? We have just been sat there for ages, priming it. To be fair, not much water's gone. I mean,
No.
there's no point in doing it, you can't see anything.
No. But unfortunately our cars are quite clean. Maybe Dad's wheel might work.
I don't know. Unless you're just trying to push these leaves away.
Yeah, yeah, okay. That's doing it?
Yeah.
And that's not even on the highest.
No, put it on the highest.
That's low.
I don't really know why you'd use that.
But yeah, that actually works. That would look lovely. If we put
It
this
looks great.
on it. No, but that's actually shifted leaves. I'm quite surprised. No, I think it would be alright if you have only got a flat or whatever. Apart from you might need 2 batteries.
Or 3.
Or 6. And the batteries are about £50-ish. But yeah. So let's go inside and put it all away.